How to fix you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days. Firstly, let's learn why this happens. Spotify thinks you are in another country because of VPN, traveling, SIM card from another country, your account's country not matching your payment method, or your IP changing often. You can fix it by the following steps. Firstly, go ahead and open Spotify on your device. After opening Spotify, you will see your profile picture at the top left corner. Click on your profile at the top left. Now go to your profile. Once in your profile, select the Edit option. Inside Edit, if you see an option called Country or Region, then change it to your current country. Another way to fix it is to check for VPN. Open Settings on your device and go to the search bar. In the search bar, type in VPN. Now search for it and look for any VPNs you might be connected to. If you are connected to VPNs, then turn them off. Another way is to update your payment method. Now this is for premium users only. If you use Spotify Premium, your payment method must match your country. That's all for today. Thank you.